Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Lexmark device. I have Lexmark NB2235i device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change screen timeout on this printer. But not the printer timeout, printer sleep out, but no, just screen, LCD screen timeout. So, to change the screen timeout, you need to find settings in the main menu, click settings, then choose device with preferences, scroll down, and here you will see screen timeout. Just click on it and just enter amount of minutes after this time your screen will go to sleep. So, for example, if you will use 60 minutes, it means that after 1 hour, your printer screen will go to sleep. So I will use, for example, 65 minutes, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.